All right, here I have a 2025 Mazda CX-50 hybrid, and I'm going to show how to reset the oil life. You want to come here and press this home button, and it should take you right here. And what you want to do is you want to go up to information by turning this outer dial, I guess you want to call it. You turn it counterclockwise to go up, and then you click the center button. Then you turn it clockwise to go down. And then you click right there, vehicle status monitor. And then you turn it clockwise to go down to vehicle maintenance settings. And there's your reset oil change down there. Click it, go up, click it, and then that's about it. So the only thing I will say is there is two different services. Once I reset my oil life, the service light was still on. And that's because on this car, there's two different services that you have to reset. The oil change distance and then your next service, which is manual, which means you can set it yourself. So if it's in manual like this, you can set it at whatever mileage you want. And this one was about 5,000 every 5,000 miles. The customer set it to. But if it's in automatic, you don't have to worry about that. And as you can see, once I reset that, the light was off. And then the the service for oil changes on this car is 10,000 miles because it's a hybrid. So the way to reset it, I found, is if you just go up to manual here, you click it once, it'll go to automatic, and then you click it again, and it'll reset on its own. And then you have to change the service interval, whatever, next time you want to be reminded. Like if you would rather change your oil every 5,000 miles, it would be best to set it manually, because the car will only remind you every 10,000 miles. Or if you want to set it as your tire rotation service due date, or air filter, whatever. Basically, that's why they allow you to change it yourself, so you can put it as any service as you want it to be.